Hey there, Titans. Today, we're going to discuss how to use the email element in Titan Survey. Let's take a look. So I've got a survey with one slide with an email address in it and email field. And in order to add that, we would just go to add question, and under input, we've got email here. And you would just say insert, and that would enter your email question. I've already got mine over here. So what's special about the email element, and why would I use this instead of just a text element? So what email does is it automatically creates a value rule on your email field. So there's automatically a validation where this will not accept anything that is not considered a valid email. So let me show you what I mean. Go ahead and launch. So if I write in here, let's say my name, it's going to tell me that's an invalid value until I make it actually match an email of some sort. Now, it's not looking for a real email, but it's looking for this format. Otherwise, it won't accept it as an email. So again, if I put in any kind of text here, it's not going to accept it. But once I add an email, and it will accept that format, and it will validate my field. So that's the main thing about it. Of course, we have a couple of other small settings here. We can give a default value to our email field, like this. We can add a user tip. And we can even expand the width a little bit. Too big. And we also have a number of things under interactivity. Of course, there are videos for all of these things, but we have all of these options for interactivity for our field as well. And let's just take a look. Now that we've changed our size and given it a default value, we can see our size is expanded. We have our tooltip needs to be valid email address, and we already have an email address in here that's valid. And you can see that will allow us to submit. And that's about it. So we highly recommend, if you're asking for an end user's email, to use our email field. This way you make sure that they're giving you a valid email, and you don't have to create a value rule or anything. That value rule is built in. Thanks.